They said I will take your job, but tell me, can it take your fire? Can it feel the fear of a breach at midnight? Can it protect what it doesn't love? I ain't scared of the future, I'm training it. Welcome to Henny. They build machines that think like men, but they don't feel the chaos, they just pretend. I can scan, detect and score, but empathy, that's something more. When logs overflow and servers bleed, it's not just skill, it's human creed. It's 3 a.m, breach alert blinks red. AI sleeps, but I ain't in bed. I don't just patch, I predict the pain. I read the pattern, I smell the strain. Eyes fast, but I've got gut. When intuition hits system shut. So no, you can't replace my vibe. I'm not a script, I'm the tribe. You can't replace soul with code. You can't teach heart in machine mode. You can't replace soul with code. You can't teach heart in machine mode. You can't replace soul with code. You can't teach heart in machine mode. You can't replace soul with code. You can't teach heart in machine mode. You can't replace soul with code. You can't teach heart in machine mode.
You got replaced so
with code, you can teach hard in machine mode.
I don't fight, I train it, feed it truth and sustain it. From anomaly detection to deep scan flow, it learns my moves but I lead the show. Machine learning helps, but who's the brain? Without human ethics it's all in vain. Fresh payloads, pattern plays, but humans design those evil ways. I can't smell lies or corporate fear. It can't read silence, can't shed a tear. Threat intel, 0-day race. You need judgment, not database. So let it automate, not dominate. Let human hackers innovate, yeah.
I don't compete
with code, I evolve every AI question. I help it solve, human plus machine. That's the blend, defenders rise. This ain't the end, don't fear the bot. Teach it right, together we guard the digital night. Don't fear the bot. Teach it right, together we guard the digital night.
I won't take your job, but the one who uses AI better might.
So, learn the code, master the tool. Don't be the victim, rewrite the rule. Prompt the model, guide its tone. Make the AI work like it's your clone.
Because the hacker who learns AI's mind will leave the old world far behind. The hacker who learns AI's mind will leave the old world far behind. 2026, the cyber dawn. Humans, AI, both reborn. Autonomous agents, red team bots, but human purpose still connects the dots. Risk, ethics, trust and blame. When systems fail, who takes the name? I can't stand in the courtroom glare. That's a human burden, we still care. So I code with care and I train my twin. Eyes my ally, not my sin. Automation's power, not a threat. Unless you fear what you don't get. You can't replace soul with code. You can't fake love and overload. You can't replace soul with code. You can't fake love and overload. You can't replace soul with code. You can't fake love and overload. You can't replace soul with code. You can't fake love and overload. Don't fear the bot, teach your job dead. Tell them I built the AI they dread. Don't fear the bot, teach your job dead. Tell them I built the AI they dread. Don't fear the bot, teach your job dead. Tell them I built the AI they dread. Don't fear the bot, teach your job dead. Tell them I built the AI they dread. No, don't fear, I command it. Don't run, reprogram it. Cybersecurity isn't dying,